What's going on, billionaires? We back. We back with another GJ analysis. Man, it's May 1st. Before we even get into it, it's May 1st. Um, it's that time to really just get things going. If you haven't already, man, we 5 months into the 5 months into the year. We almost halfway through. And I really hope y'all, staying on task, staying on top of everything. Fighting or getting through whatever y'all going through, growing through. And let's make this month one for the books, man. GJ doing some things this week. We could see here, let's go ahead and just get right into the charts, man. GJ on a monthly time frame, month just ended. We can see this nice wick forming here on GJ, right? So why is this happening, right? Why is this happening? Taking a look over here, we see we do have a monthly supply zone, right? That was created a little while back, May of last year, where price dropped off. But we can see as prices heading up, as prices moving into, as prices attempted to move up, we do see some rejections of this zone here, right? So, this is the reason for these rejections, right? But the question now is price going to push through this monthly zone, or are we going to see some pullback, right? And we're going to be able to determine that based on our lower time frames, right? So let's go ahead and drop down a little bit. Seeing here on our weekly now, right? Again, we do see price rejecting this monthly zone, right? We saw price attempted to break above this zone, wicked up a little bit, reach 148.5 level, around 148.5, before coming down to, I'm sorry, what am I saying? 168.5, before coming down and testing a little bit lower. So what I'm looking at currently, I have these institutional levels on here, as price does respect these levels pretty well. But looking at this price, right, we see price attempted to wake up and then is now coming down. Let's drop to our daily to get a closer look. So what I'm looking at is price right now is currently trending down, right? We see these nice strong bearish candles, right? 3 days price just tanked. How many pips is this? Price tanked a good 700 pips, right? 750 pips. And what I want us to notice or to take note of here is how strong this sell-off was compared to this price buying up, right? As this price is buying up, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 candles. It took 13 candles for this price to move to the upside compared to the 3 candles that it took for price to come down, right? So what that tells me is that sellers are pretty strong in this market right now compared to buyers. Okay, so what I could see happening potentially is price looking to continue, at least for right now, to trying to continue this move to the downside, right? I'm looking at about 160 level. Let's look at our 4 hours, see what's going on here. We definitely are seeing, we saw some consolidation Thursday, Friday, in the market, right inside of this zone though. PayPal is, price came right into the zone, attempted to wick a little bit into the zone. And I could definitely see this price possibly attempting to come down. And this looks pretty clean to me. So what I will be looking for, right, 160 100 level is going to be the next sellers level that I'm looking for. If you guys can see, I'll go back to the daily really quickly. If you guys can see here, this is the last demand zone that was created, right? And when it comes to our zones, we know that they're going to tell us where possible buyers or sellers could be looking to come into the market, right? So for our demand zone, we're going to be looking for possible buyers to come into the market, right? So notice here, price dropped right down to this level, right down to where price created this demand zone, right, and then began to buy up off of that zone. Now we're seeing doji candle, right, indecision, or on our lower time frames, what is consolidation happening here, before price, looks to come to the downside. So I'm definitely going to be looking for this price to come down, and I'm going to be paying attention to what happens here around 160 level, right? If we find support here, and go up, or if we just continue, falling through this level. I will show you guys this, right? This white box that I have here is the neckline, right, or the zone that was created off of this higher time frame double bottom that we saw here, before price did break above that level or above that zone, right? So when it comes to trading, we know after a break, we normally get a retest, right? We do see price pushing up to make a new high, and now it looks like it's attempted to possibly come to the downside, right? So if we do break, what is this, 160, 100, right, I will be looking for price to potentially tap into the zone, either 155 to around 157 level, coming down to retest the zone, and then hopefully finding some support to then take us back to the upside. Just being that we are in a right side, strong side of this double bottom, right? This right side should be looking to move up for the most part. So that's what I will be looking at this week. Is more the sell-off, right? But if we do see price come in here and attempt to just shoot up, because if you trade GJ, you know that she can be, man, GJ could do some things. So we could still potentially see this price move to the upside, right? And if we do see that, for me, before taking any buys, I will be looking for a break and a retest to the upside. Right now, price is just consolidating, so I definitely want to see price get out of this range here. And I'll just show you guys here. Right, but if we do want to go up or to continue moving to the upside, right, I will be looking at 163,700 level, for price to go ahead and break this previous high that was created here, retest, and then continue moving to the upside. We can even look at here, right? If you really want to be safe or cautious, we can look here around 164, 150 level for price, and then continue to the upside. So depending on which way price breaks out, which way price wants to move, that's what we're going to act on, right? Just remembering to stay objective when trading what you see and not what you think. Yeah, and that's what I'm looking at on a week. Make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a like. Go hit the like button, right? Hit the like button. If you trade GJ, if you trade Forex, if this analysis was helpful, if you learn anything from this video, if you got any value from this video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with what's going on. Weekly analysis of GJ. Join the Discord, follow us on Instagram. Everything will be in the description below. And let's just keep winning, man. It's May 1st. So let's make it happen. Excited to be here, excited for this journey that's coming. And yeah, I hope y'all are as well. I hope y'all in tune, making things happen. And let's just keep winning. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love.